database is use the database. For example, we have SQL Server as a database. We have, I put here, we have Oracle. I suggest you to check all of the opportunities here, and it's very nice, very nice. But our case right now, database, go to the products database, and you can see here, create a free account here. Please create a free account here, and then you have this part. In my case here, I have a lot of rows, database, and all that stuff. And here, if this is a tool that helps you to execute all of the data or the database there. Okay, you can use for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Up to you. Okay, so when you install that tool in your machine, you can go here. For example, you can go here, just update some information based on my command inside the database. Good. It's simple. Select, insert, delete, and update. That's the base command that we need to know. Okay,